Everyone always talks about flying in the winter, how it sucks. It snows, it's cold, you can't feel your little sausage fingers. It is 9:30 in the morning. I am at the flying field with 9 batteries. It is over 100 degrees in the sunshine. And today I'm just gonna take you along because I'm on a mental health break from making my regular videos and I felt like flying. Today is July 4th, I took the morning, and we're gonna be flying something I've been really enjoying. This is the Quadmula Siren F5 Split Mini. It's light. It's a light thing. It's mini, it's snack size, but don't let it fool you. It'll rip hard. So let's go rip it hard. Today I'm just gonna bring you along. We're having fun. I'm melting. Watch me sweat profusely and fly drones. That's what this is. Freaking summer. Summer. Reminds me of Rick and Morty. All right. To fly. Do a little flippies and floppies to warm up. Get my fingers in the feels. All right. We're warm. Now we send. Sending. This quad is fun to fly. Because it's light, it's so agile. This is like 80 grams lighter than the quads I normally fly. They normally run about 720, 730. This thing is right at 650 with a 1300 mAh pack on the back. And the bones. All right, let's just do some cruising. Let's fastly cruise here with some DJI. Gotta stay out of the grass. And the trees. Getting that low bat warning. Ooh, caught myself from the ground there. Reality. Bacon isn't always good at flying. Been trying to work that backwards yaw spin thing into my tricks lately. This whole thing where I flip around backwards and then do a yaw spin and recover forward, kind of like it. All right, that's it. That's a pack. That's 235, people. That's it. That's all you get. And just to show you, I have a thermometer. I'm going to find the temperature of these motors. Oh, they're toasting 119 degrees. 120, 121. Oh yeah. Inside, they're 130. 130 degree motors. Yay. How about the batteries? Are you interested? This battery is 110 degrees right now. Well, 105 in the right spots. You can't really see that, can you? 116 we got up there. It's hot. It's hot today. And now that the fingers are loose, I think I'm gonna go play in the actual structures. Well, trees anyway, some structures. We'll see how it goes. If I crash, you get to watch. Whoop! I changed the props on this, and they have a little more oomphy than I'm used to. I was running 4943s. These are 5136s. And they are definitely more oomphy than I'm used to. Ah! Felt like I was gonna fall over. I still do that. Don't feel bad if you're new and you feel like you're gonna fall over while you're flying. Ah, that was a product of talking and flying. It's harder than you think to talk and fly. Plus I suck. That doesn't help. All right, let's slow down a bit. Let's enjoy ourselves. Big power loop. Wow! And under the tree line. That's a low tree. I like to rewind those loops sometimes. Come through here. Another big power loop. Burp. Little prop wash. It's all good. And out to the field. Yes. Open space. Quickly hit myself with the drone. It's complaining about voltage already. 3.59 in my goggles. We're just having fun today. There's no rhyme, no reason, just good times. Not trying to hit anything specific. Just playing. Just playing around with myself. You're watching me play with myself. It's not YouTube appropriate. My bad. My bad, YouTube overlords. All right, time to land. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, about 115 degrees on the battery, again. And then the motors, yeah, they're running there at 130. Normally motors have a temp cutoff at 130, 140. It's 9:30 in the morning. Send it. Jeez, these goggles are like putting a swamp on your damn face. They are spicy. Woo! All right. I think we've done some flippies and some floppies, so now let's low cruise. I enjoy this as well. I'm not so much for the high cruise, but by God, I will low cruise. And over the water. Don't lose the quad bacon. It's not really water, it's more like thin mud. That's about the reality of it. Meeting with the road here. DJI has some serious breakup at that distance. There we go, there's me. Cruisy. Whee! Sometimes I just like to do this. Fast, low to the ground cruising. Where I know if I hit a single blade of freaking grass down there, because the grass is like literally 2.5 feet tall. If I hit a single blade of grass, I'm gonna be walking to get this sucker. Because you can't turtle out of that. Whoa! Whoa! I think I hit more than a single blade of grass. Excuse me. And this, boys and girls, is why you always use 2 straps. That battery's barely on there. Whee! Yeah, I may have hit the ground. That may have been what happened. I think I figured it out. Probably right there, you know, considering that, or potentially right here. Have you tried HQ's and Ethix new single blade props? This is one of them. I don't recommend it. I'm gonna change these and we're gonna send one last pack. All right, last one, because I am freaking greasy out here. It is hot as fuck. All right, last pack. Last pack. I am super freaking sweaty. Whee! This episode of Between Two Trees, Power Loop. Whee! This is fun. Sometimes it's great to just fly and have fun. Not be testing anything. Trying to figure out what works. Just fly and enjoy it. No, the tune's not perfect. Yes, it has some prop wash. But oh God, is it fun to fly. Yay! Man, it's so hot. I'd rather be flying in the winter. I can at least put some gloves on. Damn. I'm only allowed to take so many clothes off in the summertime. That's the issue. You can put more clothes on in the winter. But in the summer, you're fairly limited. Unless you like, you know, going to jail for public indecency. Yes, low battery, I know you exist. All right. There's 2 minutes and 15 seconds. I got another couple seconds. Okay, that's it. 3.4 volts, 3.3 volts. Not gonna push it anymore. Boop, and flip. And that's all. That's all the packs for today. One last check to see how hot the motor's got. I'm interested. Yeah. We're still running about 130 on that. And about 115 on the battery. That's pretty consistent. So we're not pushing it too far, but right on the edge of death. That's where summer likes to live. Right on the edge of death. Well, that was a lot of fun. Thanks for hanging out with me. Like I said, this was kind of just a mental break day for me. I make a video every week and they get technical and I do a lot of research and things, and I just kind of wanted a break for the 4th of July holiday. Get my hair all messy, drip with sweat, and send some quads, because summertime blows for flying here. Like blows, and not literally though, because there's no wind today. It's just beating sunlight on my bare, pale skin. I'm gonna be so freaking burned, it's ridiculous. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. I really enjoyed it. And thanks Quadmula for sending me your Siren F5 Split Mini frame. This is a great frame. If you like lightweight quads that you can fling around, that's a great frame to do it on. Their F5 Split is great, but this weighs a little bit less. It's a little narrower, it has a little thinner arms. It's made for you spang pilots. If you like to get greasy and spang, maybe it's a thing for you. I'll put a link in the description below, not an affiliate link, because like everything else, I don't care about money. So just go buy it from them. And maybe someday we'll see them in stores. Quadmula, I hope to see that happen. I really hope you come to stores. People want your stuff in their regular places. But yeah, I've enjoyed my mental break day. I hope you have one. This is what FPV is all about. Enjoying it, having fun, relaxing, letting your mind go, be in the quad, not feeling all the other things going on in your life. And that's exactly what it did for me today. Minus the sunburn. That part sucked. But yeah, anyway, until next time, stay greasy, and I'll catch you later.